guys, good morning. Ayan, magpapamake, hair makeup remove, hair make over tayo guys. Ayan yung ating buhok. Buhok natin, ipapamake over natin. Dito ako ngayon sa may South Point. Ayan, so recommend to sa akin ni Bebe Ana. Ayan, ipapaayos natin yung hair natin guys. And today is our day off. Ayan, super black. Tapos ayan, si Papa full head foil natin siya ng ash brown. Very nice color. Guys, may dala tayong kape and I just caught up with my beautiful friend Farah for breakfast guys. And then this is unplanned makeover. Hair makeover unplanned guys. And it's day off natin. It's the only time I can get. Ayan si ate. Oh. Siya na bahala. Sabi ko, ikaw na bahala sa buhok ko. Like, totally. Sana maganda guys ang kakalabasan. Kasi na-disappoint ako nung first na pinagawa. Tapos pinaretouch natin siya sa Pilipinas. And kunento ko sa kanya yung background na nangyari. But yeah. Guys, this is what looks so far. Very busy kaya we're early, which is it wasn't busy that puti na maaga tayo. Guys, first. Nice. This how it look now.
Video as well?
Yeah, I'm taking a video of you. It's my best hairdresser. What's your name, love? Your name? Krishma, guys. She's our hairstylist and hairdresser. Everything. So come here one day. I'm gonna show it to you later. The shop and her calling card. So for everyone would like to have a makeover, hair makeover, I highly recommend her, love. Thank you, Krishma. Guys, we're finished. We're gonna go get Kathleen. That's for my look for today. I need to go wee-wee. Pero, teka lang. Saan ang toilet? Mag-toilet muna tayo. Toilet. Good morning guys. On the way to work na tayo. And, it's very, very cold today. Grabe. Daan muna tayo ng kape natin mga bebe ko. Ay, kape natin. Kape muna tayo. Guys, kape tayo. And super pula ng ating lips. Super pula. Nag-red din tayo today. And guys, itong saan ba? Itong binili kong jacket, $12 lang in Big W. Very cheap. Hindi ako makakahigop. Hindi makakahigop kasi tinapay, hawak-hawak. But Guys, ito lang tayo. Ito yung ating OTD for work. And, nag-ano lang tayo jacket. Tinanggal ko medyo mainit sa loob ng shopping mall, guys. But, I'm gonna start soon. Good morning, guys. Today it's Sunday and we're going to work na naman, guys. Pero kagabi nilagnat si Kathleen. She had fever last night and today I don't feel like going to work. Pero okay naman yung temperature niya. So sabi ni Scott, go. Ako bahala. So Sunday, guys, we start very soon. Dumaan lang ako ng Starbucks for quick breakfast. Kasi magugutom tayo, guys, later. And yeah. I got the Danish bacon and cheese toasted and cappuccino. Nagawala Nahiya tayo mag-vlog minsan, guys. Naninibago na tayo kasi pag nag-vlog ako sa labas, ang dami lumilingon. Kaya kailangan pag-ipunan ko yung gusto kong camera para hindi siya masyadong exposed ba. Yung maliit. Nabanggit ko ba na binenta ko yung pinakaunang, di ba yung G7X Mark II ko nasira? Then, before noon, meron ako yung malaki talaga na Canon 80D. Nabenta ko yun, guys. And then, pinabili natin yun ng Canon M50. No? And then, after, hindi natin pinambili pala ng Canon 50 kasi meron na rin ako nung Canon 50 regalo pang Scott nung birthday ko or Christmas o birthday. So, ang nangyari, nabenta ko yung Canon 80D kay Bebe Julie kasi nagwa-vlog din siya. And then yung Canon 50, guys, very rare ko na lang siya dinadala. Hindi ko na siya masyadong dinadala sa mga crowded places like shopping mall kasi exposed siya. Yung mga tao dito, guys, very aware sila, very cautious sila. Baka mahagilan sila sa video, ganyan. Ayaw nila ng ganun. So, I'm thinking, hopefully, towards the end of this year, no? Gusto ko yung maliit, guys. Yung maliit na packet Osmo 3. Ang tagal ko na rin yun pinapanood ang review. Maganda yung review niya. Napanood ko yung review niya kay Anakay. Yung isa sa pinafollow ko from yung vlogger from US. Na tech, nakalimutan yung pangalan niya, but ang ganda ng review niya and sabi ko, pag-iipunan natin yun, guys. For the meantime, hindi ko pa siya kailangan kasi may phone tayo. Kaya lang, weird siya, guys, itong phone natin halata naman nag-vlog tayo yung malaking but that's what I'm gonna do. Gusto ko may volume tong harap ng hair natin, guys, kasi very flat. Maganda yung combo na new breakfast combos nila dito sa Starbucks. Kasi $9, meron ka ng Danish toasted with bacon and cheese na yun. And meron ka ng tall size na kape. Cappuccino, masarap siya. Pag nasa ibang bansa ka, this is a reality talk, guys. Pag nasa ibang bansa ka, ang bilis lang talagang nakakapag-Starbucks ka anytime. Pag nasa Pilipinas ka, sa probinsya, yung 1,000 mo, yung 800 mo, sa ano lang yun, guys, kape. 2 kape lang yata yun. Kulang pa. sa Starbucks, ang mahal pa, ang mahal-mahal na, ang bilis ng pera sa Pilipinas, no? Sa Starbucks, everyday, like kulang na yung 1,000 mo sa isang kapehan na lang yun guys, na meron kang dessert konti, no? Kaya grabe. Pero pag sa Pilipinas, ang bilis lang, like sa Pilipinas, pag nasa ibang bansa ka, like Australia or kahit anong bansa ka, parang mabilis lang talaga siya parang madali lang guys, ng oras lang. Baka tayo ay malate, teka lang. Parang tawag doon, parang ang dali lang mag-Starbucks. So sabi ko, at work, nagtatrabaho tayo, pagod tayo sa work. So why not na i-treat natin sarili natin mag-Starbucks, no? Kasi $9, meron ka ng kape, meron ka ng parang guys, na ba yung nasabi ko guys sa mga nasa ibang bansa? Yeah. Good morning guys! Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Ayan, on the way to work na tayo. So, happy Monday! So, nagising ako ng maaga. Dinrap ko si Kathleen. Dad, nag-drive siya. Si Scott. And then, bumala ako sa bahay. Nagbihis kasi 9:30 pa tayo mag-i-start. At natapos tayo ng 4:30. So, today is another day. I've worked yesterday, Sunday din. Naggisa tayo ng munggo kagabi, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. Dahil hindi na nakaya ng power natin. But, on the way to work na. See you later, alligator. And hope everyone is happy, blessed, feel grateful. And thank you so much, Lord, for all the blessings. Yan, lagi kong pinapasalamatan si Panginoon sa mga binibigay niyang blessings, sa mga hurdles, challenges na nakaya natin. We got through the 1 week again. And then this is another a week. So, alright guys, talk to you later. Mom, baby loves, go hello. Baliw. Crazy man. Hello. Hello, pagka ganun ko, nauntog na pala ako dyan. Hello. Yung pagkaka-hello natin, mauntog pala tayo dyan, di natin alam, tapos tawanan tayo ng mga tao. But waiting for Daddy Scott, I'm on my way to work, pero I forgot to give him the key. His key. So sabi ko, balik ka, kasi ako dapat ang bababa. But I told him na, sabi niya sa akin na, okay, stay there, I'll come back. But it's been a very busy morning, guys. May matanda tumawa. Hello. Ganun kami ng ate ko, guys. I miss ko. Hello, mga kuya ko. Tatawa sila sa akin. But yeah. And then I got Kathleen's ballet bag. Kasi after school, meron siyang ballet dance. So we enrolled her for ballet dance, mga loves. And I hope I can share it with you. Like, mablog ko siya, pero bawal, guys. Tagal ni Daddy Scott. Oh my God, I'm gonna start soon. Bili pa ako ng regalo ko for birthday for my bebe. And I was picking up na. But, ayan. Alright, guys. Let's go back to the, I think, pangalan yun, Zamels ba yun? Not Zamels, Goldmark jewelries. So let's go get my baby Anna's gift for her birthday. My best friend. Alright, mga bebe ko. Daming tao ngayon, no? A lot of people, security. Kasi yung escalator is not working, guys. They will change it to a new one. And there's a new shop here, guys. AXL and Co. Ayan siya. Alright, let's go. I got 5 minutes, guys. I-grab ko na yun para bigay ko kaagad. Malate na yata tayo, guys. My God.